I can't find Brooke anywhere. Have you seen her? I have no clue. Sorry that it's been a while since we've recorded. Hold on. I think I just found her. Oh, there she is. Of course, there's little Ginger. Oh, Ginger's like, I want the camera fame. And then there's little Ginger.
Can we not do the pets?
And then we have 4 guinea pigs.
1, 2,
4 guinea
3,
pigs.
4, yeah.
Okay, 1 like equals 1 treat for the animals.
Okay.
So, Brooke, what are we doing actually today?
We're doing the cake.
So, pick 1 for super moist white cake, most moist butter pecan cake mix, and most super moist French vanilla cake mix. 1, 2, 3. We're going to show you the back. Pause if you want to read that. That's for the French vanilla. For the butter pecan back, read that. Okay. There. Remember, that's for the butter pecan. And then this is for the super moist. And that's the back. Okay.
I don't like this one.
So we'll get rid of this one because me and Brooke don't like that one. So if you commented 3, sorry. Still around.
No butter.
Remember, okay. So Brooke just switched them around. So that is number 1. That is number 2 still. Comment down. Brooke wants this one. Comment down B. Hold on. Comment B if you picked 1. If you picked 2, comment down P. Brooke picked this one. I picked that one. Now what are we gonna do now to decide?
No.
Okay.
No. Test the tiger by itself. If he hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Oh. You said no on this one, right?
No.
Oh, so we gotta do this one.
Yeah, yay!
So we gotta get rid of these 2. These 2, can you please put back in the...
I want mine.
Oh.
I don't like this one.
Okay, so change of plans. We're gonna do Brooke, so comment down W if you got the right one. Now can you go bring these to the back? So what we need is 1 1/4 cup water, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So first, I'm gonna set the oven, bake.
Okay, 11.
And don't ask me how you use this thing. I think it's preheating. See right there? It's preheating. Ready? I can lock the door. How do you even lock this door? Don't ask me how you lock this door. But
This one.
don't ask. Oh. No. Bake. Start.
4-1.
So you know what? It's preheated. It can preheat fast if we turn up that. No, that's the light. There.
I can't get 4-1. I got the first one.
So you have 1. Then we have 1/4. That's 1/3. That's 1/2. And that's 3. So we need that one, that one.
I'm looking for it in here. I can't find
This
it.
is hard. Huh? We need 2. We need 2 of these.
Okay.
2 of those.
We need a bowl.
We need our bowl. We need our vegetable oil.
We're going
Vegetable oil. Pure vegetable oil. You can get this at Aldi's for a cheap price. I'm just gonna say that. Perfect. We need our eggs.
Grab the whole thing. It is going.
We got our eggs, and those dogs are going crazy because they know one like equals one treat.
I need a spatula.
We're gonna mix this with that.
I need the stir.
Sit right there while we get our supplies.
I'll get some stuff and meet you somewhere.
Hey, we're doing it in here.
The dogs are gonna need help when I reach it. Duh.
Gotta grab that, gotta grab that. Okay. Brooklyn,
Buddy,
you gotta hit the light.
with the light.
It's over here.
I know there's a light over here.
There's two over here. Oh, there's light! Now, can you please open the door? Because I got the camera and the
Flies.
supplies. So, we're going to do it over here. Okay. We're going to set you right
Give me scissors.
there.
Open bag.
Who needs scissors?
You're gonna open it?
And they have pulp.
Wait. Dad, my mom said we can make what we want tonight. Nah. We're good. Brother, so we're gonna...
Go ask Mom what we can eat.
No! I'm a gingerbread and...
Brooke, you need to hold this.
No, I want to do it. I
Okay.
want to do the whole thing.
Brooke's going to mainly do it because this is her channel.
I need to get the scissors off.
Okay. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Hold on. I gotta go get my camera. So when Brooke goes, I gotta go get mine. Okay. She's back. Stay right here. I gotta go get my camera.
No, brother.
Why not?
No.
Okay, subscribe to P-Man P. One like equals one cheer for me. I'm joking. One like equals one dog treat. That's the same thing. Oh, there she goes. There's a whole bunch of stuff over there. So. It landed right there. It went from there, whoo, over my head, and landed right there.
Fixing it.
She's weird.
Now
One like equals one cheer for Brooke right now.
we got the water.
It's called we add the olive oil first.
Not water.
I'll do the olive oil.
No, I want to dump it.
Yeah, you'll dump it. I just gotta pour it for you.
No, I got it.
You're gonna dump it everywhere.
Uh-uh.
Dump it slowly over the bowl.
I don't have to do it over the bowl.
Over the bowl.
No.
Over the bowl.
I need you to open this.
Hold the camera.
Okay.
I'm just gonna dump it so you don't dump it all over the place. It's Brooke. She dumps a lot of stuff. Ah!
This is what my brothers do with his struggle. Wow. Wow.
I'm a peer maker.
Okay. Brother, I'm gonna dump it.
You can dump all the water.
Okay, go get the water.
Oh, shut
Go get the water.
up! Okay, just toss it. Oh, and on my channel, I do Roblox.
Yeah.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no.
Reggie's Reese, my brother. There's my brother.
That is.
There's the door.
Oh, there goes water. Pure cold, pure bad water. We just went to the store and bought some core water. Just kidding, it's out of our faucet.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Take this out of my hand and dump it.
Just dump it.
Dump it!
Take the camera.
Ooh, hold on. You just missed your point. She did a horrible job. It spilled all over the place, JK. I'm all about the JKs. Now let me go get the fourth.
No.
No, we don't need that. We need this.
I need more water.
Cold.
Cold? Cold water. I'm rockabye baby in the treetop. The wind blows and the cradle will flow. The cradle.
Who likes that?
This time, I promise I'll wait. You just mess up.
You weren't even recording it. You're recording my leg.
Yeah.
We're recording right now. Hello. Brooke doesn't know how to record. That's why I'm the camera person. Oh, sisters, I tell ya. They don't know how to use a camera.
Yeah, like they just dropped the camera.
You literally just dropped.
Yeah.
I gotta edit that out of there.
How can you edit it?
That's how we just posted it right away. I can trim it, I can cut it, I can edit it.
Okay, dump it. I'm filming.
There goes she goes.
There we go. I got this one.
Now we need 3 eggs.
I'll come to the egg. You have the egg?
The one thing we need, someone does a grab.
You grab it.
Oh, crack these over your head.
Really?
Okay, we don't have enough money to do that. Sorry, our house is a little messy. So you'll do 2 and I'll do 1.
Okay. I'm good at cracking eggs.
Oh my, I don't even need a bowl. Okay, first I'm gonna, okay, she's gonna crack hers.
No, you can go. Go.
Go hold the camera.
I'm holding my egg. That's how you crack an egg.
I think they know how to crack an egg.
There it goes.
Okay, now you gotta crack your 2 eggs. She's bad. She just spilled it all over the floor.
Nuh-uh. One more. No, but... No, brother, stop. I just have some on my leg. Stop. There. Now let me do it.
Rubble skip skin.
Right.
She don't know how to bake. What are we gonna make today?
Hey!
I thought we were gonna make cookies or cupcakes.
Something.
You totally forgot, Spot.
Okay.
I'll get the rest of it. I'll get the rest of it.
We're gonna save some batter in here for me and you can eat. Yum.
Cookies or cupcakes or cake?
It tastes good. Okay, you're done. You're done.
You ready? Watch it.
Okay, we're done.
That's how you get it done fast.
So we're. No more. We will have some of it. We're gonna save
You're
some.
not even recording. Okay, now we gotta head to the kitchen. Ugh! Watch this. Fake memes. Now watch this. I'm not joking. I'm gonna take some for myself. Let's go. Hey, that's it.
No, we have to put some on the spatulas.
Anyways, where's the spatula?
I brought it.
I need spatula.
Save some in there for us too.
Cookies, cupcakes, or cake? Cookies will taste the best.
Yeah. Brother, can you save a lot in there for us too? Brother? Brother, please. Can you be a nice brother?
Sure, only if I can play Roblox
Yeah.
without having it on my camera.
Yeah. Save a lot. Not all of
We
it.
need cookies for the family.
Not that much, brother.
We need cookies for the entire family.
Not that much. We made a
I need a spoon. You're not even